So this is the Orlando World Center Marriott. This is a queen to queen Lazer pool view room. It's gonna make this nice and quick. Ironing board, robes, bathroom, nice and quaint, modern, double sinks, coffee maker, of course, double beds or queen beds, nice and modern, kind of spacious, chair, television, cooling fridge. These are not free, these are complimentary. And then, because this is a pool view room, this is the view. It's a very large resort, a lot of conference and event space, about 5 or 6 restaurants, and we are on the 21st floor.